Members of the governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of postgraduate degree of Master of Business Administration and postgraduate diploma in management under Faculty of Management Studies. I request the governing body to confer degree on them and award diploma to them.
Students of Master of Computer Applications and Master of Science in Information Technology, please rise. Honorable President Sir and the members of governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of postgraduate degree of Master of Computer Application and Master of Science in Information Technology under the Faculty of Computer Science and Applications. I request the governing body to confer the degree on them.
Students of Master of Physiotherapy and Bachelor of Physiotherapy, please rise. Honorable President Sir and the members of governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of postgraduate degree of Master of Physiotherapy and degree of Bachelor of Physiotherapy under Faculty of Medical Sciences. I request the governing body to confer the degree on them.
Students of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, please rise. Honorable President Sir and the members of governing body, I now present the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing under Faculty of Medical Sciences. I request the governing body to confer the degree on them.
Dean has requested us to confirm the degrees on the student presented by them. Shall we concern? Thank you. By the authorities given me to me by the governing body, I confirm on you the graduate, postgraduate, and the PhD degrees of CHARUSAT, University of Science and Technologies. I appeal you that in your life, by word and by deed, you prove yourself worthy of the same. May God bless you.
विद्यानाम नरस्य कीर्तिरतुला भाग्यक्षये चाश्रयो धेनु कामदुधारतिश्च विरहे नेत्रं तृतीयं च सा सत्कारायतनं कुलस्य महिमा रत्निर्विना भूषणम् तस्मादन्यमुपेक्ष्य सर्वविषयम् विद्याधिकारं कुरु न चोरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं न भातृभाज्यं न च भारकारुण्यं व्यये कृते वर्धते एव नित्यम् विद्याधनं सर्वधने प्रधानम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै गुरुवरायेति समर्पयामि।
I request all the students to keep standing, please. Thank you. Today, at the 5th Convocation of CHARUSAT, in all 1,620 students have received degrees, and this includes 7 PhD scholars also. The following degrees have been conferred today. Under the Faculty of Technology and Engineering, we have conferred Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Technology in Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Master of Technology in Mechanical Engineering CAD/CAM, Master of Technology Electronics and Communication Engineering Communication Systems, Master of Technology Computer Engineering, Master of Technology Civil Engineering, Master of Technology Electrical Engineering, Master of Technology Information Technology. Under bachelors, we have Bachelor of Technology in the Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Technology Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Technology Electrical Engineering, Bachelor of Technology Information Technology, Bachelor of Technology Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Technology Electronics and Communication Engineering. Under Faculty of Pharmacy, we have conferred Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Pharmacy Pharmaceutical Technology, Master of Pharmacy Quality Assurance, Master of Pharmacy Clinical Pharmacy, Master of Pharmacy Drug Regulatory Affairs, Master of Pharmacy Pharmacology and Toxicology, and Bachelor of Pharmacy. Under Faculty of Applied Sciences, we have conferred Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Science in Advanced Organic Chemistry, Master of Science Biotechnology, Master of Science Physics. Under Faculty of Management Studies, we have Master of Business Administrations, Postgraduate Diploma in Management. Under Faculty of Computer Science and Applications, we have conferred Master of Computer Applications and Master of Science in Information Technology. Under Faculty of Medical Sciences, we have conferred Bachelor of Science Nursing, Bachelor of Physiotherapy, Master of Physiotherapy Cardiopulmonary Sciences, Master of Physiotherapy Musculoskeletal Sciences. I request the students to prepare yourself for the oath. I will be reciting the oath one sentence by sentence. I request you to recite after me, please. I solemnly swear that as a graduate of Sarotar University of Science and Technology, I shall always uphold the values of integrity, dedication, and sincerity enjoined on me by the university, and shall constantly strive to renew my character, knowledge, and skills for the service and well-being of my family, our nation, and the world. I request all of you to take your seats. Thank you. We will be shortly declaring the names of the PhD degree recipients and the gold medalists who will be called upon here on the stage, and all the degree recipients who are close to our heart shall also be receiving their degree in person in the post-lunch session. I hope that venues are communicated to you. Now I request the research scholars whose names are recited to come forward and receive their PhD degree from our Chief Guest, Honorable Governorshree of Gujarat. May I request Honorable Chief Guest to do the honor, please. Mr. Trushit Upadhyay is awarded degree of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Technology and Engineering. Claps, please. Mr. Binal Mehta is awarded degree of Doctor of Philosophy under Faculty of Technology and Engineering. Mrs. Farguni Raval is awarded degree of Doctor of Philosophy under Faculty of Technology and Engineering. Mr. Amit Patel is awarded degree of Doctor of Philosophy under Faculty of Technology and Engineering. પાછળથી આપો બેટા. અહીંથી આપો, પેલો મેમેન્ટો આપો. આપી દે, અત્યારે આપી દે. Mrs. Jalpa Suthar is awarded degree of Doctor of Philosophy under Faculty of Pharmacy. Claps, please. Thank you. I'll be now requesting the students, gold medal students, to come forward. And I once again request Honorable Chief Guest to do the honor. I will be requesting the gold medalists to come forward. Under Faculty of Technology and Engineering, we have CHARUSAT gold medal for Rayani Hetalben Kalubhai for passing MTech examination with the highest CGPA in the faculty. And Hetal is also receiving Professor S.G. Shah CHARUSAT gold medal for passing MTech EC examination with the highest CGPA. Hetal is receiving 2 gold medals. Can you have claps for her? CHARUSAT gold medal is awarded to Atalya Rutuben Vijay Singh. Rutu, if you can come forward. Yeah, please. Claps, please. Yeah. Rutu is getting gold medal for passing MTech Computer Engineering with the highest CGPA. CHARUSAT gold medal is being awarded to Nidhi Madhya for passing MTech IT examination with the highest CGPA. Claps for Nidhi, please. Thank you. CHARUSAT gold medal is awarded to Pandya Parth Tushar Kumar for passing MTech Electrical Engineering exam with the highest CGPA. Claps for Parth, please. Thank you. Manubhai Shivabai Patel gold medal is being awarded to Patel Vaibhav Kiritbhai for MTech Civil examination with the highest CGPA. CHARUSAT gold medal. This is Vaibhav, right? Claps for Vaibhav, please. Thank you. CHARUSAT gold medal is awarded to Vyas Akash Vishnu Prasad for passing MTech AMT examination with the highest CGPA. We have Akash coming in. Can we welcome him by claps, please? Thank you. Shri Dinsa Patel gold medal is awarded to Akshay Kumar R. Mengar for passing MTech ME CAD CAM with the highest CGPA. Claps for Akshay, please. Thank you. We now have gold medals for the BTechs. CHARUSAT gold medal is awarded to Patel Devanshi Nitin Kumar for passing BTech Electronics and Communication exam with the highest CGPA. Ramaben M. Patel gold medal. Claps for Devanshi, please. Is awarded to Patel Kuntal Kumar Rajesh Bhai for passing BTech Electrical examination with the highest CGPA. Kuntal, if you can walk little fast, please. Thank you. We have Shri Rajendra B. Engineer Gold Medal being awarded to Mansuri Zaheen for passing BTech Civil examination with the highest CGPA. We have to declare 4 gold medals which are in absentia. The students have not come forward. Virchan Bhai Ramdas Patel Maudha and Shri Charotar Moti 27 Samoj Matur Sanstha gold medal is going to Sanket Patel for scoring highest CGPA in the faculty as well as in the BTech Mechanical Engineering program, but he is not with us. Shri Sumitra Ben C. Patel gold medals are awarded to Akanksha Talati for the highest CGPA in BTech IT, and to Patel Dhruva Tusharbai for highest CGPA in BTech Computer Engineering, but they are not with us. We express our best wishes. Now I'll be declaring gold medalists under Faculty of Pharmacy. I request the Honorable Chief Guest. Under M.Pharm, we have Sri Ramanbhai B. Patel Gold Medal for Shah Mansi Manoj Kumar for passing M.Pharm exam with the highest CGPA in the Faculty of Pharmacy. We will then have Sri Ramanbhai B. Patel Gold Medal for Parekh Khushali Sudhirbhai